And we're live or not live, whenever you're watching
No.
this. Gym news and committed club show.
Let's talk about February Committed Club.
Yes, I like that idea. But first things first, little reminder, we've got some new classes, 7:30 a.m. Monday and Wednesday. And then Tuesday and
Nice.
Thursday, the nooner. Now, maybe we shouldn't advertise the nooner because the nooner is getting really popular. I
Yeah.
didn't know. I've been to the noon several times. It's kind of real close to my favorite class. Coach Ty's doing a good job, but it's super fun.
Yeah.
Super fun. So, new class times, they're in the app. You guys all probably know, but I just wanted to make sure everybody knew. And
Mm-hmm.
then you guys are starting to know about the new Kickstart group Kickstart. This was a program we used to do one-on-one. It cost extra. Um, and now we're bringing it back in a group environment, Tuesday nights, Saturday mornings. We're going to teach you guys the basics. So this is for new people. If you've only been here a couple of months, get in this class. Okay. You will not regret it. And then you will have all 15 of your level assessments done. So I sent out an email a few days ago, made a video about this. So reference that if you want me to. I don't want to go into all that again, but fantastic class, taught by Coach Tracy and Coach Ty. It's awesome.
Yeah, and some people have asked, and just to clarify this, does it cost any more money to do the Kickstart?
Nope,
No,
not in the group.
it does not. Nope. So
Now, if you
go
want Jana
enjoy
to take
it.
you one on one, we can hook you up, but we
Yeah.
can bill you for that. Yeah, this one is included, just like the cold plunge.
Yep.
Mm-hmm. So, all right, we have another really fun thing going on that more than half of the gym is taking part of. If you're not taking part of this, one, shame on you. You don't get pizza, and
Yeah.
you're missing out. Like last Friday was insane. It was fun. Nobody went home.
It was
Everybody,
so,
almost
there were
everybody
so many people.
stayed through the very last heat, and it was well past my bedtime. 8 o'clock.
Yeah.
I think eight o'clock was the last heat. Um,
Mm-hmm.
it was insane. People giving it their all, laying out on the floor. We had a cake fight.
Yeah.
Happy birthday, Rachel. It was so much fun. It's everything that the Open is supposed to be. And
Mm-hmm.
yeah, so this is week 2, and you guys all want to know who's in the lead. So fourth place, Christina's team,
Mm-hmm.
Hakuna Masquata. Okay, fourth place there. Third place, Salute the Glutes. Lillian is not
Oh.
messing around. She's very closely in third place, so don't count her out. And this was a much surprise. Rowing Pains, second place. Okay.
Number
Uh,
2.
yeah. So um, this is just it's getting heated. It's pretty cool. All these people want to beat Rachel, and she's not going to go down without a fight. But the big surprise for the week was Two Peas in a Wad is ahead by 6 measly points. And that means absolute nothing. There is a lot of baseball left in this game.
Oh,
Um,
yeah.
yeah, so don't get cocky, Sam. It's only 6 points, but congratulations on that first week top of the leaderboard. So we've got Friday Night Lights week 2 tonight at 5 p.m. And we're doing a Heat Zero with most of the coaches at 4 o'clock. So if you want to come early, watch a few of the coaches throw down. That way they're not taking up your heat times and they can judge. Okay. We've got some judging going on. Got to hit a standard. Okay. And I said this to the captains. Unfortunately, like I do have to say, this is a test. This is not a workout. Okay. So we got to hit the movement standards. But I'm excited about tonight. See you guys all in the gym. Speaking of cake,
More birthdays to
more
celebrate.
birthdays.
Mm-hmm.
More
Like
birthdays.
Brenna, happy birthday. Your birthday was yesterday. No one's today, but we got a lot of birthdays coming up, so happy birthday to everybody this month.
And he refused to pose for a picture, but Steve
Come on,
was
Steve.
awarded his, he just doesn't like the spotlight. He was awarded his 500 class honor. And you guys got to come really early in the morning. Steve gets there before Coach Brooks. He sits in the parking lot and does his emails and stuff. He's there literally probably 3:50 a.m. waiting in the parking lot. So many of you do not know Steve, but Steve's been with ACF for a long time, obviously to get 500 classes. I think he's creeping up on the 100 pounds lost mark. So
That's
Steve
amazing.
that you see in this video is a very, very smaller version of Steve. And his girls varsity basketball team did real well this year. So
nice. Yeah.
Congratulations. All right, the moment you've all been waiting for.
Yes.
Jeez.
That's
Holy
what I'm talking
smokes.
about right there.
52 names in the February committed club. So many names.
Ridiculous.
We're not going to read them all this month. I'm sorry, but ridiculous. Absolutely ridiculous. And we're on track to pass this number for March. I know it's only been a week, but everybody is still super committed. So congratulations to our committed club members. This is just, we're going to celebrate you. Yes. What are we giving away?
All right. So we are going to be giving away 2 $30 gift cards to buy anything in our merch shop. So you get shirt, you get protein, you get any other supplements,
workout, drinks, you name it. Yeah, hats. We got a couple of hats. We might have one hat left. Yeah, so this is awesome. And you guys, I'm really excited about this. No more bingo balls. No more bingo balls.
Yes.
I have found, I don't know how I found it. I can't remember, but I have found a website called Wheel of Names. This is insane, right? So I type all the names over here, and we've just got this wheel here. All I have to do is click spin. The balls don't go all over my office. And here we go. Are we ready?
So much better. I am ready. I was born ready.
We should get some sound effects for this, you know. Yeah, here we go. Yeah, that wasn't it. That's not it either.
No, that's not a good one.
All right, here we go. All right, we're going to spin it. I'm done goofing off. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo! Boy, try doing that one. Never mind. Okay. Winner number 1. Rachel! Congratulations, Rachel. You were the first to get the 500 club. So we're going to remove Rachel from the list. Look how easy this is. This is so fantastic.
So easy.
And then we're going to give it away again. Boom.
All right, here we go. Who's going to be? Oh, so cool.
Kai Silva.
Kai
Silva, one of the most ridiculously good-looking dudes in the gym. Even with his hat off. Congratulations, Rachel and Kai. He'll never see this video, but we'll let him know. Okay. That's all I got for you guys
that was
today.
Fun.
That was cool. Rapid
fire.
All
right, well, we're looking forward to seeing you guys at the gym tonight and seeing all your sweaty faces.
All right, guys. Signing off.
Bye.